Hello there. I thought we would take a look at Clickbank today. What you want to do when you're actually choosing what to sell or promote from Clickbank. Um, the first thing that you want to do is, of course, get a Clickbank account, and I will put uh, I will put a link so you can go to Clickbank in the description and create an account. So, but once you've done that, you go to the marketplace when you've finished making your Clickbank account and all the things that's needed for it. And at the marketplace, you can choose what you want to sell. For example, so let's say you're in education and you want to sell something from our education. Then you want to check out that the graph is high, because it means that many other promoters has actually had a sale with this one. See, here is a graph that is pretty high, and all these high at the top, usually they are higher, and then it usually goes to become lower when you go through the pages. It's not always like that. You see, like here's 41, but there's 24, so like it's not set up exactly like that. But you can see that, like, on an average, the graph is lower from the first page. So that's something you want to look at. Also, when you check, you want to open to actually see what it is they promote. For example, this one promotes Scribble. So you're supposed to make ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words for this one, for example. And you want to check out that this is something that you feel that you can promote, and you feel good about promoting, that this is something you can actually that you actually think will be something that you want to make money on. And because I think if you're not feeling like it's something you want to make money on, it's harder to promote it. If you like the product, it's easier to promote it, I think. Of course, everyone is different, maybe, like some people can sell anything and so, but I think if you believe in the product, you're much more likely to sell it. So that's why you want to check it out and make sure that it's a product that you like. And once you've actually done that, you just click on the promote page. You take your account name, and you choose that when you set up your account. So your account nickname, that is the one that you take, and then you just generate hop links. And the hop links is the thing that actually make your commissions come in, so make sure to not miss out on that. If you miss out on that, you won't get any commissions. So you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so that's basically it. If you have any questions, please comment down below, or if you feel like something's missing, something should be gone through a little bit deeper, or so, just subscribe to the channel for more content as well, so you can give some update and feedback to me as well. What do you think? What you think is good and bad about the video? But anyways, thank you very much. Bye.